请问您这个是什么乐器？
弦子。
弦子，
我们藏族的弦子。
Shangri-La is a county-level city in northwestern Yunnan province, China, named after the mythical land depicted in the 1933 novel Lost Horizon. It is the capital and largest city of the Qing Tibetan Autonomous Prefecture. It is bordered by the city of Lijiang in the south and Sichuan province to the northwest, north, and east. The city was originally a county named Zhongdian. On December 17, 2001, the Chinese government renamed the county Shangri-La. The southern half of the city is inhabited by the Naxi people, who speak the Naxi language. The northern half is inhabited by the Khampers, who speak the southern variety of Khams Tibetan. Southwestern Mandarin is spoken by the Han Chinese throughout the city. The ambience of the town is distinctly Tibetan, with prayer flags fluttering, mountains known by holy names, lamaseries and rocks inscribed in the Tibetan language with Buddhist sutras.
So this is the Suyo Cha, milk tea, Tibetan milk tea.请问您这个是什么乐器？
弦子。
弦子，
我们藏族的弦子。
当地的是吧？
不是我们藏族的。
藏族弦子。
最有名的就是这个了。
哦，弦子。
等一下我们要跳舞了。
你们在这跳吗？
要比赛了，我们这里。
啊，比赛。
哦，今天是要比北京下来的，我们是。
马上要比是吧？
哦，马上要比了。
那我来了，时候太好了。
今天晚上比赛吗？
要比赛，
几点比赛？
要马上到，
马上比了。
服装
啊，对啊。
五颜六色的我从没有一个特别喜欢的颜色，我爱天上的云朵。
The Tibetan people are a sing-loving culture. They sing not only during festivals and prayers, but even when during the work. Dekezong Dance, also known as Guozhou, is a Tibetan term meaning circle dance. It is one of the three main folk dances of the Tibetan people. Dekezong Dance is found in Tibetan areas like Chengdu and Nachu in Tibet, Aba and Ganzi in Sichuan, Diqing in Yunnan, and Tibetan communities in Qinghai and Gansu. During the dance, men and women typically form a semicircle. The men and women sing in a call and response style. The dance is composed of two parts, starting slow and gradually speeding up. Dancers primarily use arm movements like lifting, swinging, and shaking to change dance poses. The formation progresses clockwise, and the circle varies in size, occasionally shifting into a dragon tail pattern.
Today is my first day in Shangri-La and it has been really amazing, especially seeing the local culture and how people are just dancing so happily, wearing their traditional clothes. It's really just make my heart feel so warm, and I'm really excited to see what tomorrow is going to be like. So see you tomorrow.